Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use airline credits on Expedia. If you've got travel credits sitting in your account and aren't sure how to apply them to your next flight, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After you've signed in, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your account overview page where you can manage various aspects of your Expedia profile. Now, in the left sidebar, you'll see several menu options. Look for the one labeled Credit and click on it. This section is where Expedia stores all your available credits, including airline credits, gift cards, and promotional offers. Once you're on the credits page, you'll see a list displaying all your credits. Each entry typically shows the credit value, the airline it's associated with, and the expiration date, so you know exactly what you have and when you need to use it by. Although I don't have any credits in my account right now, I'll show you what the next steps would look like. When you do have credits available, you'll see them listed here. Click on the specific airline credit you want to use from the list. This will open up more details about that particular credit. Next to the eligible credit, you should see a button that says either book a flight using airline credit or redeem now. Click on that button to start the process of applying your credit to a new booking. In order to actually use your credit, let's pretend you've already searched for flights, selected your preferred option, and completed all the necessary booking steps. You're now at the payment section where you'll finalize everything. Scroll down on this page, and in the right panel, you'll find an option that says use a coupon, credit, or promotion code. Click on that option to expand the field. Now enter your credit code into the text box that appears. This code is typically provided in the credit details or may already be populated if you clicked through from the credits page. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button. Expedia will then process the credit and deduct the value from your total booking cost. You should see the updated total reflecting your discount immediately. After your credit has been applied, scroll down a bit further and enter your payment method for any remaining balance. This could be a credit card, debit card, or another accepted payment option. Make sure all your payment details are correct before proceeding. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Complete Booking. This will finalize your reservation and apply your airline credit to the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used your airline credit on Expedia to book a flight. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.